if you want to turn your messy cables into something like this, I'm going to show you how. With these self-gripping cable ties by Rapid Storage. And this is the 8-inch ones, and you're going to get 20 of these. And they also give you 20 of the 5-inch ones too. How perfect is that? Let me show you a close-up of what they look like. So these are made of hook and loop closure, and they're self-sticking. How perfect. And this is the 8-inch ones, and these are the 5-inch ones. So whether you have bigger cables or smaller cables, Rapid Storage has you covered. And you can easily do this to all your cables. Really makes it nice and neat in your garage, in your drawers, or on shelves too. Whether you need the big ones or the small ones, Rapid Storage comes to the rescue. And these are very easy to do. All you need to do is take it off the other ones. And now what we're going to do is we're going to put it through the loop. So we're going to get one of them and put it through this loop, just like this. Ta-da! And it just stays in place all the time. Perfect. Then when it's time to wrap it up, you just wrap it up just like this, and it self-sticks. Beautiful. And it even says Rapid Storage. Now, it can also be used both ways, so you don't have to worry about it. Either way works. Awesome. They really thought of everything. So these would make a great gift for somebody that likes to tinker with technology or tools. This is great for them. Definitely keeps everything more organized. Thank you, Rapid Storage, for sending these to me for me to evaluate. I love it. And I know my husband's gonna love these too. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.